gathered here for the 17th Annual Sports Day celebrations at Bannariamman Institute of Technology, Satyamangalam.
A thoughtful mind, when it sees a nation's flag, sees not the flag only, but the nation itself. We now request everyone to rise for hoisting of the flag. May we now request our chief guest, Mr. R.T. Muttumanikam, Deputy Superintendent of Satyamangalam, to hoist the flag.
Certificate examination, 3 cadets got A grade and the other cadets got B grade.
We request our chief guest to receive the honor. Following the NCC cadets are the first to district football team for the Tamil Nadu Olympic tournament during the year 2011. Silver medals in University Sports Board and also tournament during the year 2014. She has participated and bagged silver medals for the Anna University of Technology, Bangalore Zone 5, combined intercollegiate basketball tournament for the year 2011. She has participated and bagged silver medals for the Anna University of Technology, Chennai Zone 12, intercollegiate basketball tournament for the year 2012. She has participated and bagged gold medals for the Anna University of Technology, Chennai Zone 12, intercollegiate athletic meet for the year 2012. She has also participated Best Total Team Award with a cash prize of $2,500 held by Vedanta Academy. Grouped by the second years led by Mr. P.S. Ebrar MMS of second year BE Mechanical. He has participated in the Kerala State School Meet and got 6th place in shot put. He has also won the district champion for 2 consecutive years. He has also participated in the Kerala Open Athletic Meet and secured 5th position in the hammer throw. He has represented a college in science and secured 5th place in shot put. He was the college sports representative for the first year for 2011 to 2012, followed by
Thank you, sir. Like a great ring of pure and endless light, the torch symbolizes the eternity of true sportsmanship. Here comes the torch bearers of our institute.
The torch is now in the hands of Mr. V. Guhan, final year high jump at Anna University Coimbatore, Zone 5, Inter-College Athlete Meet during the year 2010-11. He has secured silver medal in decathlon at Anna University Coimbatore, Zone 5.
And bagged gold medal for the Anna University of Technology, Coimbatore Zone 5 Inter-Collegiate Ball Badminton Tournament for the years 2009 to 2011. She has participated and bagged silver medal for the Anna University of Technology, Coimbatore Zone 5 Inter-Collegiate Ball Badminton Tournament for the year 2011 to 2012. Anna University Coimbatore Zone 5 Inter-Collegiate Athletic Meet during the year 2010 to 2011. She has also secured bronze medal in hammer throw and shot put at 9th Aero District Junior Athletic Meet during the year 2010 to 2011.
The torch is now handed over to Mr. Rajesh, final year B. Engineering. He is the captain of our college handball team. He had won silver medal in zonal handball tournament. He has also represented inter-zonal handball team twice. He was the captain of junior handball team in the school level. He has participated and bagged silver medal for the zonal level and inter-zonal level handball tournament 2012-13. Under his captainship of school handball team, he secured silver medal in the divisional handball tournament.
Our next torch bearer is Ms. M. Kaushalya of final year BE Electronics and Communication Engineering. She is the captain of the college hockey team.
Now handed over to Mr. M. Saravanan of 3rd NCA. He is our college cricket team captain. He won on cricket team tournaments and won bronze medal during 2011 to 12.
Our next torch bearer is Ms. S. Janani of final year BE E&I Zonal Badminton Tournament for the academic year 2012 to 2013. She is currently the Joint Secretary of...
Is now handed over to Mr. V. Arun Narayanan of final BE Mechanical Engineering. He is the captain of a college football team. He has represented zonal level football team and won gold medal during the year 2011 to 12. He has represented zonal level football team and won gold medal during the year 2012 to 13. He has represented and won silver medal at Sati Trophy during the year 2012 to 13.
Please swear that we will take part in the 17th Annual Sports Day celebration in the loyal competition, respecting the regulation in which govern them, and the desirous of participating in them in the true spirit of sportsmanship for the honor of our college and glory of sports.
The athletes are kindly asked to disperse. We will witness the athletic events now. Satya Prabha, chess number 149, who belongs to the 3rd year Biotechnology. Lane 3, S. Lavanya, chess number 40, who belongs to the 1st year Aeronautical. Lane 4, A.S. Nandini, chess number 100, who belongs to the 2nd year Tripoli Department. Lane 5, J. Nancy, chess number 145. Here are the athletes of PRT, running furiously.
And here they go. It is Senthil Kumar in the lead. And yes, he finishes first.
And working together is success. Let us all witness the tug of war between the staff and the final year students of BIT.
To collect their prizes as the runners up.
A fencing demonstration by the students of BIT. The students of BIT who have been trained by the fencing trainer, coach Mr. P. Varadarajan, NIS coach. He is the district secretary of Fencing Association, Erode. He is also Tamil Nadu coach for all national tournaments. He has represented nationals and is the technical official for
Please first attack is a credit point. Otherwise, other player, parry is the block. Who is first take block and repose it is to get the point. First now start, sabre even, attack above human hip level. On guard, play, alley, all, attack, parry, attack என்பது இவர் அவரை தொடுகிறார். தொடும் பொழுது தடுத்து எதிராளியை திருப்பி அடிக்கும் பொழுது பாயிண்ட் வழங்கப்படுகிறது. அட்டாக், பேரி, லார்வே, ஃபிஷ். 1 பாயிண்ட். ஆன் கார்ட் அப்படிங்க. ஆன் கார்ட் என்பது தயாராகு. ப்ளே, விளையாடுகிறாயா? எஸ் ப்ளே. அலை, ஸ்டார்ட். ஆல், நிறுத்தம். பிளேயர் தடுக்கிறார், தடுத்து தொடவில்லை. சோ இவர் பாயிண்ட் எடுக்கிறார். அட்டாக், பேரி, நோ, லாரிமிஸ், துஷ். 7 ஸ்டெப் பேக். காட், ப்ளே, அலை, ஆல், அட்டாக், ஆர்ம் பேக். முன்னாடி வரிக்கிறார், தன்னோட ஆமை இப்படி எடுக்கிறார். ஆர்ம் பேக். அட்டாக், ஆர்ம் பேக், நாட் வேலிட். Larimis, tush. Pray, alley. All, attack, preparation. Right. So get it, point. 2, 1. Pray, alley. All, attack, no. Preparation, varar, pass ஆகுது. Opposite player, test பண்ணுகிறார், point. All, pray, alley. All, attack, no. ரைட் சைட் பிளேயர் முன்னாடி மூவ் ஆகிறாரு, ஆனா அட்டாக் பாஸ் ஆகிறது. இடது பக்கம் பிளேயர் அழகாக தொடுகிறார். சோ கெட் இட் பாயிண்ட். 3, 3, 2. ப்ளே, அலை, All attack preparation, no parry. 3 all. Frame, Alec. All attack, no, release, push. முன்னேறி வேகமாக வருகிறார், ஆனால் தொட வேண்டிய இலக்கை தொடவில்லை. எதிராளி தொடுகிறார், அவர் பாயிண்ட் வருகிறார். 3 all. Frame, Alec. All attack. 4-3. Frame, Alec. All attack, parry, no, large miss, point. 5-4 take. Cut up. Come here. இப்பொழுது வலதுபுறம் இருப்பவர் 5 பாயிண்ட் பெற்று வெற்றி பெறுகிறார். Alec. Good. Tag parry post no. Remains. இடதுபுறம் இருக்கிற முன்னேறுகிறார், வலதுபுறம் இருக்கிற முயற்சி செய்கிறார். அப்பொழுது இடதுபுறம் இருப்பவர் தடுக்கிறார், தடுத்து தொட முடியவில்லை. வலதுபுறம் இருக்கும் மாணவர் மீண்டும் all tag. All tag preparation, parry, large push. Frame, Alec. All attack out of target. Only target here, front trunk position. Head not valid. Frame, Alec. All வெற்றி பெறும் மாணவர். Thank you.
Sir, abhi nilang sa sir.
Here we go. The men are in battle. We kindly request all the students to cheer up the athletes.
We request everyone to cheer the participants.
The star athletes are on the field and they are competing to win.
Yuvraj! Vaah, Jaan, vaah! Here, Yuvraj! यार युवराज बा जान बा अडी युवराज ए हुआ उड़ा अडी अडी उड़ा रहा बोला बोल रहा
And here we witness the final lap.
Sí.
Chief Guest of this function, Mr. R.P. Muthumanikam, Deputy Superintendent of Police Satyamangalam, our beloved Chief Executive Dr. M. Nadarajan, colleagues, invitees, and my dear students. A warm good evening to all of you. So today we are celebrating our 17th annual sports week. So on this happiest occasion, we have an eminent person from our police department, Mr. Muthumanikam, Deputy Superintendent of Police Satyamangalam. On behalf of the management and everyone, we welcome you sir, to this 17th annual meeting. Next, I would like to welcome our beloved Chief Executive, who is a source of encouragement in all activities of our institute. So on behalf of the management and faculty members, I welcome you sir. Then I would like to welcome all the faculty members and all the student members on this auspicious occasion. Once again, I welcome you all for the sports week. Thank you.
By perseverance. Here are the results of the undeterred efforts and the toil undergone by our athletes. May we now request Dr. G. Natarajan, Assistant Professor, School of Management Studies and Professor in charge of Sports and Games, to present the annual report of sports activities for the academic year 2012 to 2013.
Esteemed Chief Guest of the day, Mr. R.P. Muthumanikam, Deputy Superintendent of Police, Satyamangalam, Chief Executive, Dr. A. Natarajan, Principal, Dr. A. Shanmugam, Heads and Deans of various departments, special invitees, distinguished guests, members of the press and media, my dear colleagues, beloved students, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure to present the 17th annual sports report of the college for the academic year 2012-2013. I take pride in stating that our college achieved the third place in the overall games and sports achievements for the year 2012-2013 among the Zone 12 colleges of Anna University, Chennai, comprising 37 colleges. The college men football and table tennis team secured gold medal in the Anna University Zone 12 intercollegiate tournaments held at Erode Sengundar Engineering College and SSM College of Engineering. Our men tennis and handball team secured silver medal in the Anna University zonal tournaments held at various venues. Our college women badminton and table tennis team secured gold medal. Our ball badminton and basketball teams won the silver medal in the Anna University zonal tournaments. Our college men and women athletic teams performed well in the Anna University Chennai Zone 12 intercollegiate athletic meet, which includes 2 gold, 3 silver and 1 bronze medals. The athletes who brought laurels to the institute include Mr. D. Saranyan of 3rd BE Civil, Ms. M. Priya of Zone handball team to participate in the Anna University Inter-Zonal Tournament and secured silver medal. At this juncture, I would like to highlight that our college women hockey player Ms. E. Abhinaya of 3rd BE Civil has represented in the Anna University women hockey team to participate in the South Zone Inter-University Tournament held at Mahatma Gandhi University, Kottayam. And Ms. M. Gayatri of 1st BE Civil has represented in the Anna University cycling team to participate in the South Zone Inter-University Tournament held at Kerala University, Thiruvananthapuram. The Erode District Athletic Meet, our college men athlete Mr. P. S. Abrar Ahmed of 2nd BE Mechanical has secured gold medal in the shot put and Mr. M. Prabhat of 3rd BE Aero has secured silver medal in the 110 meter hurdles held at VOC Park Stadium, Erode. In the 56th State Cycling Championship 2012, our college cyclist Ms. M. Gayatri of 1st BE Civil has secured 2 gold and a silver medal in the 800 meter time trial, 1600 meter mass start and 20 kilometer road mass start respectively held at BMHS Sirumugai during 29/9/2012 to 30/9/2012. A college men football team secured bronze medal in the 2nd J. Sudanandan 5A side football tournament organized by Erode Sengundar Engineering College. The college teams participated in almost all the sports and games in the men and women section in the recently concluded Tamil Nadu Inter Engineering Sports hosted by Adiyaman College of Engineering also. Our college women badminton team performed well and secured bronze medal in the TIES 2013. I take pride in stating that our college hosted the Anna University Zone 12 Intercollegiate Women Ball Badminton Tournament on 17 September 2012. 5 teams participated in this tournament. Dr. S. U. Prabha, HOD of EEE, inaugurated the tournament. Besides this, we have organized the Anna University Zone 12 Intercollegiate Men Tennis Tournament in our college premises on 10th October 2012. Dr. P. Suresh Kumar, Director, School of Management Studies, was the chief guest for this tournament. It is evident that the students' performance has improved in greater pace compared to past years. The intramural competitions were conducted comprising of all the games and sports for men and women. Our students participated in all the games and sports with great enthusiasm and cheer. At present, the college has very good teams in men and women sections. The sports activities are carried out regularly. Physical education classes, training, coaching camps and practice matches are conducted at periodical intervals